CPF Khwai Division ni Shakthar Mumbai Khwai ni Tulashikor Amchayo Siano Chezawi Klaijagi Tongol Zorawo Kaisa Khadumani Himbotok
Nang NRC zori kain thang ke nang total population bisuk tong sebab desi sebab bidesi apa to marla khagranai.
My name is Jiva. I belong to Nam Tamil Katchi, headed by the Chief Coordinator Simon from Chennai.
We came here to wholeheartedly support this struggle to save the homeland, to save the identity.
Kok kemalannya cini patami pajak cini sar, bini bikin tiga, bini simbol haru, bini kok kesan kemalannya. Now, first of all, I want to welcome our respected sir, Downing Jiva. He is a good leader and human rights activities. He is from Tamil Nadu. Please come and take the time, sir. Please. Yeah. Kumka Tipogram to all our Tripura indigenous people, brothers and sisters. Respected PK Madam, Brother Kantilal, and all other leaders of Tripura People Front. It is a great feeling to see all indigenous people of Tripura together with respected a great leader, Venkat Raman, General Secretary of Tamil National Movement, and with Professor Jagmohan Singh from Punjab after my last visit to Tripura in December. I bring greetings from all Tamil nationalists and Mr. Seema to Tripura people, especially people from Tulachikok, for their struggle to uphold the rights of Tripura land. My name is Jiva. I come from Tamil Nadu. I belong to North Tamil Party. That means V Tamil Party, headed by Mr. Seeman, with party symbol as tiger. You must understand, tiger is a sign of upright people who will protest their land despite of any criticalities. You, me, and all of us become tiger to fight against intruders to our land. North Tamil Party always stand for the right of every linguistic nationalities and son of soils. On that basis, we are here to support indigenous people of Tripura to uphold your rights. Tripura land is now under a big threat. CAA must be washed out from Tripura immediately. CAA will make Tripura people landless. This is the only land you have. Do you have any other land? No. This is the only land Tripura people have. So you must understand, if you lose your land, you will become refugees. Refugees means people with no land. So this is very important for us to fight against this very critical situation. Central government, who is a signatory to United Nations Declaration on the Rights of Indigenous People, is not protecting the rights of indigenous people in reality. Right to self-determination is a big question mark in Tripura. If Indian government think that they can do whatever they want in Tripura land and other linguistic nationalities, for example in Tamil Nadu as well, we have to teach a big lesson proving that they are wrong. India must understand that they have forcefully merged all the linguistic nationalities to India and have made an artificial country. If we try to intervene in our rights, we all get together. That means Tripura people, Tamil people, Punjab people, everyone, every linguistic nationalities living in this land will get together to teach you a bitter lesson. If we notice clearly, who is mostly having extreme India nationalism, India so-called artificially made India patriotism. If we see clearly, the India nationalism feeling are coming mostly from Aryan Hindi speakers. But if you see their history, they are all migrated from Central Asia to Indian subcontinent. It is a joke that people who are not belonging to this land are saying, we are not belonging to that. We are the indigenous people of this land. They are not. So they have no right to say, we don't belong to this land. So this is very important for us to protect our land. Citizenship Amendment Act is a planned exclusively for taking away the remaining all leftover rights of Tripura and all Northeast states and all other linguistic nationalities. Nam Tamil Party is fully against the CAA to be implemented in Tripura, and it is my humble request, it is my very, very humble request, you all must stand with our sister, Madam PK, who is the first person from Tripura, fought against Citizenship Amendment Act and Bill in the United Nations Human Rights Council in Geneva. We have a strong history of working together. You have identified a real leader, and I request to support her always. She is also joining United Nations this time for all of you people. I understand clearly that she will not stop, and nobody in TPF will not stop their fight until we get every right of Tripura people. Today, Constitution of India is under a big threat from central government. We must save the Constitution of India from the ruling BJP government. Unity in diversity is a joke, and it's under a big threat in India. You can either have unity or you can have uniformity. You cannot have both. Kok Borok is our national language. Hindi is not our national language. Same like that, Tamil is my national language. Hindi is not my national language. It never was my national language. I am not a Hindustani. I am not from Madrasi. I am a Tamil from Tamil nationality. We have to destroy together and work together and destroy together central government imperialism of one nation, one language, one religion ideology is never going to work out in the subcontinent. We all have to fight together and make it successful one. This land belongs to us. This land belongs to Tripura people, not to anyone else. We will never surrender for any reason. Today, this is an undeclared emergency on right to self-determination of every linguistic nationalities living in this Indian subcontinent. This is taking away our fundamental rights, citizen rights, from RBI to CBI, from Election Commission to central forces. All are now agents of central government imperialism on various degrees. You must understand the magnitude of the dirty plan. This is not about just taking away the land. You should also understand the central government is in favor of huge corporates all over the world to loot the natural resources of every state in the name of development. Is this development? Looting the resources of every state, is it a development? You are not giving the right medical system to everyone in this land. You are not giving the right education to anyone in this land, but you are looting all the wealthy resources in our land. Is this a development? We must all have to think. We were never against development. Is this a development we are looking for? That is what we have to think. This is actually exactly what is happening in Kaveri Delta in Tamil Nadu. They are looting all the resources, methane resources from Kaveri Delta from Tamil Nadu, and saying in the name of development. If anyone going against that, they are called anti-nationals, they are against development, they are following the old system, they are named in that way. They are called as in many names now, urban Naxalites. They are the one purely loving this land, we must understand. It is proven fact that no one can love their land beyond people of their own land. So, Nam Tamil Party is with clear vision that Tamil Nadu should be ruled by Tamil. That means Tripura land must be ruled by Tripura people, not anyone else. We stand for Federal India and autonomous state. This is what it means. Everything except currency, external affairs and external defense will be in the ambit of state power. This land is our land. For the sake of our unity, central government imperialists must understand this. Otherwise, for the sake of unity, we will make central government imperialist to understand it in a very, very bitter way. Central government should look every situation in each state as a unique situation. In Tripura and Northeast India, it is important to save the indigenous people, right? So in that context, washing out CAA immediately is the right thing to do now. Nam Tamil Party and our head coordinator Seeman will be always standing with the people of Tripura, Tripura people friend and sister and Madam Patakanya Jamatia. We must rule ourselves, that is Swaraj. Others should not rule you, that is not Swaraj. To protect our people, our future, our dreams and our every existence. This is the time for maximum unity between Tripura and Tamil people and all other linguistic nationalities. We welcome all the leaders from TPF to Tamil Nadu in one of the occasions soon. We will talk about this soon. Please, we will coordinate together and work together for the sake of all the linguistic nationalities living in Indian subcontinent. Varga Tamil Makkal, Varga Tripura Makkal. That means Bharat Doba Ayuk Loktang, TPF Ayuk Loktang, Tamil Makkal Ayuk Loktang. Hambe.
Ingke jumpa sekarang motor khalannya itu sini nagai thai supajak Hatabi jumpa ikotek jumpa khalannya. Now I want to thanks our sir, respected sir, Jagmohan Singh from Punjab, Human Rights Activities and Editor, World 6 News. Sir, please come to share. Chừng bà con lên đi bảo thôi. Photo photo.
खुल्लम खा वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह. It means that we are all men of God and let victory be of God. हम लोग ईश्वर के लोग हैं और जो जीत है वो सच की और ईश्वर की होगी. मुझे इस बात का सौभाग्य प्राप्त है कि आज 70 साल के बाद मैं पहला सिख हूं जो त्रिपुरा के लोगों की पीड़ा को बांटने के लिए आपके बीच में आया हूं. मुझे इस बात का दुख है कि 70 साल लग गए. मैं त्रिपुरा पीपल्स फ्रंट और उसकी लीडर पताल कन्या जमातिया का धन्यवादी हूं कि उन्होंने मुझे ये मौका दिया कि मैं आपकी तकलीफों को समझूं और साथ ही में अपनी तरफ से एक ह्यूमन राइट्स एक्टिविस्ट की तरफ से और पंजाब के लोगों की तरफ से और सिख कौम की तरफ से न केवल आपके दुख में शामिल हूं बल्कि सारी समस्या को समझने के बाद इसका समाधान कैसे करना है उसके बारे में भी अपनी राय जरूर रखूं. तो सबसे पहले मैं आपको एक खुशी की बात से बात शुरू करना चाहता हूं. इस मुल्क के गृह मंत्री ने, आप लोग सब राजनीति से वाकिफ हो, अखबारें पढ़ते और समझते हो, इसीलिए आप कामकाज छोड़ के यहां पर बैठे हो. इस मुल्क के गृह मंत्री श्री अमित शाह ने दिल्ली के चुनाव में भाषण देते हुए आप जैसी माएं और बहनें जो शाहीन बाग में बैठे सीएए के खिलाफ प्रोटेस्ट कर रही थी, उनको चिढ़ाते हुए गृह मंत्री ने कहा दिल्ली के वोटरों से कि ईवीएम की मशीन का बटन इतने जोर से दबाओ कि शाहीन बाग को करंट लगे, लेकिन शाहीन बाग ने इतने जोर से करंट लगाया कि अमित शाह और उसकी सरकार को लग गया। और मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि आपकी लीडर पताल कन्या जमातिया और आप लोगों द्वारा लगाया हुआ करंट सीएए को खत्म करेगा, और उसको खत्म करने के लिए जो भी आप हमारी ड्यूटी लगाएंगे, हम पूरी तरह से आपका साथ देंगे। पहली बार आने में 70 साल लग गए, आगे नहीं इतनी देर लगेगी, जब भी बुलाओगे हाजिर होंगे। आज जैसे हमने शाहीन बाग में कहा, जरूरत पड़ी तो हम हजारों और लाखों में आएंगे। इस मुल्क में मैं आपके कुछ साथियों से कह रहा था कि आप लोग मूल लोग हैं, इंडिजिनस पीपल्स, and India as a country does not accept the use of the word indigenous in international dealings with other countries and at the United Nations. इसको हमने तबाह करना है, इस बात को। आप मूल लोग हैं, आपका हक है, आपके जमीन पर, आपके पानी पर, आपकी हवा पर, आपकी पहाड़ों पर, आपकी खेती पर। और जो भी इसमें घुसपैठिया है, वो चाहे बॉर्डर क्रॉस करके आया हो, चाहे दूसरे सूबे से आया हो, मैं जानता हूं आपका दिल बहुत विशाल है। जितना सौंदर्य आपके पास है, आपका दिल छोटा हो ही नहीं सकता। 70 साल आप बर्दाश्त करते रहे, बोला कोई बात नहीं, शायद ये हमारे हक पहचान लेंगे, लेकिन अब पानी सर से निकल चुका है। अब पानी सर से इसलिए निकल चुका है कि आप 93% लोग थे 1958 में, अभी आप 19% हैं। सरकार की कोशिश है कि आपको और कम किया जाए, लेकिन हमको बहुत दूर तक सोचना होगा, बहुत आगे का सोचना होगा। कानून के दायरे में रहते हुए सारा हिंदुस्तान आपको, हमको, तमिलनाडु को, शाहीन बाग को, मुसलमानों को, कश्मीरियों को सिखाता है कि संविधान की सुरक्षा करो। अब 70 साल से तो हम संविधान मान रहे थे, आप तोड़ रहे थे। आर्म्ड फोर्सेस स्पेशल पावर्स एक्ट आपने नॉर्थ ईस्ट में लगाया हुआ है। आपने हमको कसूरवार ठहराया, अंदर डाल दिया या गोली मार दी। अभी हम आपको कसूरवार ठहराते हैं। संविधान को बचाने की जिम्मेवारी आपकी नहीं है, सरकार की है। सरकार साबित करे कि वो संविधान को बचाना चाहती है। हमारी नजर में वो कटघरे में खड़ी है, सरकार दोषी है, वो नहीं आपको अपने हक देना चाहती। नागरिकता इतनी आसानी से खत्म कर देनी, हमारी बड़ी आसानी से खत्म कर देनी, और जिसको अंदर घुसाना है उसको इतनी सहूलतें दे देनी कि आज वो राजा है और आप प्रजा बने हुए हो। इस को उल्टा करना पड़ेगा। हम ये नहीं कहते कि हमने किसी के ऊपर जबर करना है। आप किसी पर जबर करना चाहते हैं? बिल्कुल नहीं। करना होता तो 70 साल बर्दाश्त ही न कर। आपने बर्दाश्त किया, भाई समझा, बहन समझा, ये नहीं देखा कि बांग्लादेश से आया है, कहां से आया है, आपने सबको पूरा इज्जत मान दिया। अब वो अपना पैर तुम्हारे गर्दन पर रख लिया है, इसलिए आप खड़े हुए हो और खड़ा होना चाहिए। ये एक बहुत बड़े षड्यंत्र के रूप में हो रहा है। इट्स अ कंस्पिरेसी टू annihilate the indigenous peoples from their lands. जिस तरीके से आपकी नागरिकता को खत्म किया जाएगा, हालात ऐसे बन जाएंगे कि आपको दूसरे और तीसरे दर्जे के शहरी की तरह जिंदगी गुजारनी होगी। क्या आप दूसरे दर्जे के शहरी बनना चाहते हैं? क्या आप दूसरे दर्जे के शहरी बनना चाहते हैं? नहीं, कोई नहीं बनना चाहता। हम दूसरे दर्जे के शहरी क्यों? हम मालिक हैं इस जगह के, और हमने अपनी मलकियत को जो है केवल बचाना ही नहीं है, आगे बढ़ाना। सरकार इस बात से खबरदार रहे कि वो बेइंसाफी करती रहेगी और आप सहते रहेंगे। वो जमाना चला गया, वो जमाना चला गया। सुप्रीम कोर्ट में आपकी पार्टी ने केस डाला हुआ है। अगर सुप्रीम कोर्ट भी आपको न्याय नहीं देती तो ये लोगों की अदालत है जो फिर न्याय करेगी। भाई और बहनों, मेरे त्रिपुरा के भाई और बहनों, मैं उस सूबे से आया हूं जिसके साथ 47 से लेकर आज तक आप ही की तरह सब कुछ हो रहा। पंजाब का पानी दिल्ली, हरियाणा, राजस्थान और हिमाचल प्रदेश जाता है। हमारे जमीन का पानी 350 फुट नीचे चला गया। हमारे पास अगर कोयला आता है बिहार से तो हम उसकी रॉयल्टी देते हैं। हमारा पानी जो इन सूबों में जाता है उसमें रॉयल्टी नहीं मिलती, एक पाई नहीं मिलती। हम भी महाराजा रंजीत सिंह से लेकर जब 47 में अंग्रेजों ने फैसला किया कि वो इस मुल्क को छोड़ के जाएंगे, तब तक हम भी राजे थे। We were an independent and sovereign state. हमारा अपना राज था, अपनी करेंसी थी, अपना झंडा था। लेकिन अंग्रेज और 47 में जो लीडरशिप थी हमारी इतनी सयानी और चालाक नहीं थी जितने उस समय के कांग्रेस पार्टी के लीडर थे। इसलिए हम उस चीज से बिरहा रह गए। बिल्कुल उसी तरह जैसे जो आपने 1948 में लिख के दिया और 50 में जो लागू हुआ आपके साथ एसेंशन ट्रीटी में कि आपके हकों को जो है संभाल के रखा जाएगा, वो जो वादा हमारे से हुआ था आपके साथ भी हुआ और फिर वो वादा जो है खत्म हो गया। इस खत्म हुए वादे को आपने दोबारा लागू करना। आपकी लड़ाई आसान नहीं है। आपको जथेबंद होना पड़ेगा। त्रिपुरा पीपल्स फ्रंट को त्रिपुरा पर राज करके अपने लोगों को सारे वो हक दिलाने होंगे दिल्ली से तो अभी कश्मीर भी बहुत दूर हो गया है, तो त्रिपुरा तो वैसे भी फिजिकली भी बहुत दूर है। तो त्रिपुरा को दिल्ली आना होगा। मेरे कहने का मतलब ये है कि आपको अपनी लड़ाई केवल यहां तक सीमित न करते हुए, और जो हम ख्याल लोग हैं, तमिलनाडु के लोग हैं, पंजाब के लोग हैं, कश्मीर के लोग हैं, दलित वर्ग है, इन सब के साथ दुख सुख में समा बिताना होगा, एक दूसरे से सीखना होगा, एक दूसरे की ताकत बनना होगा, एक दूसरे से ताकत लेनी होगी, और उस ताकत के साथ फिर हम जो है ये लड़ाई जीत सकते हैं। सीएए एक वक्ती चीज है। सरकार आपको थकाना चाहती है। सरकार कहती है 2 महीने हो गए, कितनी देर चलाएंगे? 6 महीने 8 महीने चलाएंगे, थक जाएंगे, हार जाएंगे। आपने थकना और हारना नहीं है। ये बहुत बड़ी लड़ाई होगी। ये एक ऐसा माहौल बन गया है दो महीनों में कि इस लड़ाई को आपने लगातार इस तरीके से चलाना है जैसे हांगकांग के लोगों ने चाइना के लोगों को सबक सिखाया और वहां कानून में जो बदलाव ला रहे थे उसको खत्म कर दिया। इसी तरीके से आपने लड़ते रहना है। उनको लड़ते लड़ते 13 महीने लग गए थे। कितने लोगों ने गिरफ्तारियां दी थी, शायद आपको नहीं पता। दिल्ली वगैरह में हर सड़क पर, लगभग हर सड़क पर धारा 144 लागू कर दी गई है। जब भी कोई प्रोटेस्ट होता है, अगर वो हजूम नहीं बनता तो सरकार लेके चली जाती है, गिरफ्तार कर देती है। तो आपको उस चीज के लिए भी तैयार रहना है। सरकार जुल्म करेगी, जुल्म का टाकरा आपने एकता से करना है। मैं जानता हूं आप लोग यहां पर राजनीतिक तौर पे भी पार्टियों में बटे हुए हो, पर मुझे इस बात की खुशी है कि आप के जो जितने कबीले हैं, जितने इंडिजिनियस पीपल्स हैं, उसमें आपकी जो नेड़ता है, जो आप इकट्ठे हो, ये एक आपकी बहुत बड़ी ताकत है। और उस ताकत को यूज करते हुए आपने आगे बढ़ना है। इस नॉर्थ ईस्ट में आकर मुझे इससे भी ज्यादा इस बात की खुशी होती है। बहुत साल पहले मेरे ह्यूमन राइट्स एक्टिविस्ट मित्र पराग दास की इनविटेशन पर मैं गुवाहाटी गया था, और वहां पर भी बहनों और माओं के हजूम को देखकर मैंने बात कही थी कि सिख धर्म के जो बानी हैं, जिन्होंने शुरू किया ये धर्म, गुरु नानक, उनका कहना है कि घर में, समाज में, धार्मिक स्थान पर औरत को सबसे ऊपर जगह देनी चाहिए, और जो स्थान, जो इज्जत आप लोग औरतों को देते हो, उसके सामने मेरा सिर झुकता है। मैं आज यहां पर आकर जहां खुशी महसूस कर रहा हूं, वहां पर मुझे अपनी जिम्मेवारी का भी एहसास है। मैं आपको वादा करता हूं कि अपने अखबार द वर्ल्ड सिख न्यूज, मेरे पोर्टल का नाम द वर्ल्ड सिख न्यूज जरूर है, लेकिन इसमें केवल सिखों की नहीं, हम कश्मीरियों की, तमिलों की और हर जगह पर जहां पर ह्यूमन राइट्स वायलेशन होती है उनकी खबरें लगाते हैं, ओपिनियंस लगाते हैं। मैं आपको वादा करता हूं कि जो मीडिया ब्लैकआउट आपको महसूस होता है, आपने अपनी वर्ल्ड सिख न्यूज को अपनी आवाज समझना है। जो भी आप हमको मटेरियल भेजेंगे, हम उसको पूरी तरह से फ्लैश करेंगे और आपकी आवाज को केवल दिल्ली ही नहीं, दुनिया के लोगों तक पहुंचाएंगे, क्योंकि जब दुनिया को पता चलेगा कि ये हिंदुस्तान के कोने में नॉर्थ ईस्ट में एक 8 लाख लोगों का समूह है जिनको खत्म करने के लिए भारत पूरी कोशिश कर रहा है, लेकिन वो लड़ रहे हैं, तो वो आपका पूरा साथ देंगे। इस आस के साथ, इस प्रार्थना के साथ कि दुनिया के लोग, पंजाब के लोग, कश्मीर के लोग आपका पूरा साथ देंगे, मैं आपसे क्षमा लेता हूं। हम पढ़े and for my Tamil brethren, Mika Nandri.
सबके लिए और एक बार ताली बजाना है। हम लोगों का इनकेस तो हम लोग का जो प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है तो मैंने शेयर किया है। सो नाउ एक्चुअली और तब चीनी बागै तेरे भाई के हुआ चीनी स्पीकर चीनी सार्चो स्पेशली तामिलनाडुनि बे खरचा चीनी सार्चो पाइका वजागालो first of all I want to thank our respected sir then Kanjan Krishnamurti Human Rights GS from Tamil Nadu. He is the GS Human Rights, so he is a good leader. Now I want to request to share, please take the time.
It is a great pleasure to come over here to participate with our Tripura brothers and sisters. I first of all thank you all, and especially the TPF leaders, and especially my younger sister PK Jamatia and other leaders of the TPF.
Joto phai manjak phaijak uje tongnai rokno ani khane hambai e bishesh kai TPF president Miss PK Jamatia bona belai hambai maru ano ajagawo ringi tumar bagai.
Wherever the people are oppressed, my friend Professor Jagmohan Singh will be there.
Japro borok sato pitok khajago ani friend Jagmohan Singh bo ajaga sob somoino subao chini longi tongo.
It is a do or die situation for Tripura people, indigenous people.
Tripurasa और नहान बुसार बगे अबो थैका थैनानि हायका थांनानि आम हाय जरा सबाय कंफायका.
The present status is precarious and dangerous status. Is a product of betrayal of indigenous leaders. That should we know. We should come and identify a correct leader and correct movement. This is not to hold a leader aloft, but to save your life, your homeland, your future, your identity, your very life. This juncture is like that. You have to choose a correct movement, correct leadership, or you will perish. You will be wiped out. That dangerous situation is here.
Pada ke hamya situation non ozagawo non ni je leaders rok chaya khameni bagai all leaders of norno belai ke sato kapitoka betrayal norno famoloka अपन होते नर सतर्क करना नांगनाय नरक थांचाके all leaders of the against नंनि बागै नंग अधिकार बागै जवाब खाय नांगनाय
Very Bangladeshi Chief Minister, your Biplab Dev, is a product of betrayal. He's a product of betrayal. Without indigenous leaders' support, he could not be the Chief Minister of Tripura. That is a bitter lesson you have to learn. It is not a play. It is not a play. It is your life.
Long nitabuk the present Chief Minister Tongna Biplab Dev, for indigenous the Chief Minister ya, for Norok by Belake Pam Logui, non the leaders of no Pamlaman recently upon the Chief Minister Sranka, upon Norok Sotokamata Nai.
Very India is that construction. It is an Aryan construction built by betrayal and aggression. Here Tripura is having a double aggression. Besides this Indian Aryan aggression, this Bangladeshi intrusion, infiltration, this double lock is on you. You have to break that double lock. Without that, you cannot come up in the future.
India by Norok, double betrayal khajaka, nong hano borok agreement khainaka, abuni pore phata ni Bangladesh borno borok otui pheka, nor abno tui satar kotong nangnai movement khaitong nangnai. India no nor phirna nangnai, nor India no kaisa lesson phirna nangnai, borok jahate omai khaime atui.
It is a pleasure. I came to know TPF, Tripura People's Front, is a people's movement, national movement, not an electoral party. Our Tamil National Movement is like that.
Angor phai snook khaikya, o Tripura People's Front je movement joba khai tomani, omo kono political movement ya, haino sin how basung Tamilo, o je non-political, je vote riaza movement sangbo khai tongo.
We are a serious political movement. Politics is not voting. Politics is not voting. The vote power will be challenged from road power. That is the lesson we have to learn. Road power, the people's power, the street power is bigger than the vote power. We have to show that power.
Borok ni je Horang, borok ni je movement ni phan busutong, abo sung pernah nangnai, government sung amna pernah nangnai, sung sudu put by simia, sini je Horang ti saboi, jadi kok mani movement kemen abna sung government pernah nangnai, sini odikar man phai maya sak.
All the parties participating in the elections are not betrayers. Here we in Tamil Nadu, we are a fraternal movement, but also fighting for election. That is non-Tamil. Jiva has come here. But most of the electoral politics is betrayal politics. That's the bitter lesson you have to learn. Without having your homeland, contesting election is a farce, is a fraud. You have to first regain your homeland. Then everybody will contest. Everybody can come to chat. That is the lesson you are learning, you have learned. That is the good news I have learned from here.
Joto political party hamiyaya, jara voto participate khanai, joto na hamiyaya. Baksa kaham political party bo tongo, naro je kaham je samung tangnai, odikan bagi samung tangnai, am hai political party naro chongna nangnai, oro phai ang surupay ka, lor je movement khai tongmani, nong je khorang disamani, o belai ke kaham.
I'm happy to learn that from a scrap, P.K. Jamatia is trying to build a palace. Right from the scrap. Right from 125 people, she is building a valiant movement here. All the people, I am glad here, all number of women participants are here. The men participants are relatively younger. That is encouraging scene. Other people, all indigenous people should learn the lesson. It is high time. You should support this type of movement.
Ang belai ke tong thoka oro phai no phai je 125 jona bai acha ye patal tina jamatia je movement kariti theka omo oro phai no phai ka বিশেষ খাইয়ে puri ra pa jaga kabang ma agi 125 jona bai asa mene tabo kabang ma borok lokha omai keno বিশেষ খাইয়ে sikla bodolni borok o jaga o tongo tai jara o jaga o intellectual sumjak educated borok o jaga involve onnani dorkar.
The thing is, very existence of your homeland is a serious question. The Bangladeshi illegal immigration is a big challenge. Not only a challenge, it has come to a point. Even if you fight back, if you fail to fight back, you cannot retrieve your homeland.
Nijini matribhumi asaimene ha belake koto oro illegal immigrants rok phaye norta boni against je movement khai tangmani abo kongko kya noro borok no mechene ma sak norong movement khai tong nang nai hai ka norok temanai.
I bring to your notice, you all know, but I have to remind you, I try to compare some data, population data. In 1881, when the first census was conducted at the British period, though it was a separate kingdom, total population of Tripura at that time was nearly 96,000. Out of the 96,000, 84,000 were Tripura people, Tripura indigenous people. Only 12,000 were Bengalis. In 1881. I compare this after that. In 1951, why I choose 1951? After 1881, every 10 years the population census data is corrected. I jumped to 1951, why? In between, Tripura kingdom was annexed to the Indian Union by way of treaty of accession, by way of merger. It was amalgamated into Indian Union only with the assurance that indigenous people's right to life, their cultural right, their homeland right will be protected. Saying that only, Maharani signed the paper of accession and signed the paper of amalgamation in 1947. But that was betrayed by the Indian government. That is why I compare the 1951 data. After 1947, instrument of accession, 1951 was the next census. In that census, the total population of Tripura was 6,39,000. 6,39,000. Out of which 3,11,000 were Tripuris, indigenous people, but 3,28,000 Bengalis. Other way around, from 75% of the population, 88% of the population, it will come down to 48% of the population in 51. The rank betrayal of the Indian Union.
Ang Oropai, si Paikya, Nuk Paikya, 1881 যখন পপুলেশন সেন্সাস পুরো ত্রিপুরাসারক অরণ্য ইন্ডিজিনাস বড়রক 96 তংমানি আফ্রো তাবুক অন 1951 ফাইয়ে পপুলেশন সেন্সাস নুগৈ ওয়ানা ফাইকা অজাগাও 1947 ইন্ডিয়া বাই মার্জার 응의 탕프로 하부의 탕프로 제 population 동문이 아보 아보 드리캬 1951 제 census 제 boy record नुकमानी मुताबिक 어장하니 하니 बसारो 88% 동문이 아보 아보 1951 फाइये 1956 फाइये 아보 어미탕가 अबो इंडिया नरबाई बेटाइल खेक्या
After this Bangladesh war, 1971, the census was, population census, says 16 lakhs. Total population 16 lakhs, out of which natives are 4,50,000. Bengalis were Bangladeshis and Bengalis, total 11 lakhs. It has come down to natives, indigenous people's population has come down to 28%. Bengali population rose to 71%. 71. And after 1971, that 1971 migrant, one of the migrant, illegal migrant is your chief minister.
1971 बांग्लादेश युद्ध उनफुरु नंगनि जे population नर आफुर कमिथांका total 16 lakh population divisingo नंगनि population 4 lakhs आजगावो फातानि फाइनारो illegal immigrants 71% उनथांका नंगनि indigenous population मात्र 28%.
Now in 2011, you have become 18%.
Apo 2018 naro already 18% ang thangka.
Where will you go?
Borthanai naro
Where is the place?
jaga boroto
There may be various parties having various flags, various names. It may be BJP today. Yesterday it may be CPIM. Day before yesterday it may be Congress. All are illegal migrant parties.
nongni oro je political party dongnaro BJP phanangthong jekono party phanangthong jekono political party phanangthong nongni bagiya boro bebagno illegal immigrants phatar hani boro khaina rongni bagi se boro nongni bagiya.
It is not an issue of population only. It is essentially, you cannot survive as a people. Tripura people, indigenous people will not survive, cannot survive as a people, as a nationality anymore. That is the big question mark before you.
Sungmung kotoma proshno kotoma phaitang phaika omhaike norok komorui nongni je population obaike national population nor omhake bachi tongmaya on bagai norok wansong nangnai norok joba khaina nangnai.
You can verify in the other fronts also. In the religious or cultural area, this aggression of this Bengal culture is telling. One example, the Chowda Deva Mandir, the famous Mandir, that Boro priest was replaced by Bengali one. The rituals were converted as Bengali rituals instead of Boro rituals. This is the same experience Tamil people experience. That is only I am warning you.
น้องนี่มุตัยอาตัยถึงเรื่องนุกจักค่ะน้องนี่บอรอกนี่น้องนี่ดอพานี้ออใจน้องนี่ดอพานี้ออใจนักการเลยอุปาตานี่จะออใจอับรอนนรกนาค่ะอับน้องนี่บางทีฮามียาอับรอนนรกชาบดานตองดี
Your river, Gormati, is converted as Gomati in Bengali. Every identity, every place, every temple, every rituals are all converted into Bengali, usurping your indigenous identity. You will lose your identity. Without identity, nobody will merge as a people, as a nationality. Our common identity is a must, is an essential feature to unite a people as a people.
น้องในสิริมุงว่าขมายต้องขาจะมองบริคอร์จันในบุมงบริคอร์จันในบุมงพัดบริดอพานีบุมงให้แกนาระเกยอาจจะกำน้องในสิริมุงกอมริต้องขาน้องนี้ต้องกระทาอาบุกอมริต้องขาน้องนี้ต้องกระทาบุนี้ดอพไว้แค่กระดาษเกยอาจจะการน้องนี้ identity น้องนี้ดอมว่าขมายต้องขาอาบุนอสอดกระตลานังใน
Your Vikram Sagar became Rudra Sagar.
เจมอนวิกรมสักร์อาบ่ากิตองเนตาบุรุษสักร์น้องทั้งกะอมให้เกี่ยจากในบุมงเราสลายจากที่ต้องกะน้องนี้จะ identity ปุระ culture อมให้เกี่ยกมัยทางไว้ไหนอาบุญบางทีนรกสอดกระตองนั่งไหนযদিนรก nationality นั่นเองไงอาบุญบางทีนรกเกียร์มาตองไหน
Your Udaipur College is renamed as Netaji Mahavidyalaya.
อุดรพูร college ตรงนี้เนตาจีมหาวิทยาลัยทั้งกะ
In every corner, you are losing your identity.
แต่บางจากนั้นน้องนี้จะ identity น้องนี้จะชินิมุงกมัยต้องใบชา
But on all this, the union government again and again giving promises and violating them.
Central government จี union government นอกกอกรู้ไว้อากอกนั่นอะไรแกเพราะตรงนี้กอกนั่นไปเลสไปทางนอกไปเปรย์ใครต้องการเอาไปเลยฮามียา
In the Treaty of Accession, the union government assured the people of Tripura, the Maharani of Tripura, this identity of this Tripura indigenous people, Tripura land will be protected. But immediately after that, 1952 first general election, after the free India, the first general election, 1952, voter rights were given to illegal immigrants, Bengali immigrants.
India mai nor jokhon marsung pro je kok rojak tomani India government kok romani nor no self security rokha khane hine kintu borok apnok akok no borok narang liya phatani illegal immigration no orok to boi tong phaikya abo India ni belakhe chaya abon bakin nor tiar ma tong nai.
In 1972, Northeastern states reorganization was done. After that, 1972, Tripura was made a state, full status state. Even then, at that juncture, 1972 is a big exodus from Bangladesh into Tripura in 71 war.
1972 non o Tripura fully state ngo ఇంకా 71 যে ফাইনে রক বড় আজাগাও সুযোগ নাই থাকা ফুলি স্টেট মানে পরে বড় আজাগাও ফাতার হানি বড় বাংলাদেশ নি ফাইনে রক বড় আপন সুযোগ না খা।
In 1988, there was a Rajiv Rankal agreement. This TNV put down their arms and they came to the mainstream politics, non-violent politics. At that agreement, Government of India, on behalf of the Government of India, Rajiv Gandhi assured in written form, in the written agreement, the infiltrators, illegal immigrants will be thrown out, indigenous populations, identity, Tripura's indigenous population's identity will be protected. It's a specific clause in the agreement.
1988 Longoro TNB Bejarang Kulidol by Rajiv Gandhi Pradhan Mantri Tangpru agreement ka agreement ni motabak oroni fatar hani boro rokno rohna ni kok tomoni kinda abobo rohoja kya azagabo India government norbai petrail khaikya hamya khaikya.
In 1993 again,
Abo 1993 bahino untiu ka
there was an Agartala agreement. Then the Agartala agreement also said this indigenous people's identity will be protected. Tripura will be the land of indigenous people. Illegal immigrants will be thrown out. All the assurances are there in the 1993 Agartala agreement.
1993 ma Agartala agreement ka je phatani phaja illegal immigrants ko jagani rohojak nai kintu akok ro tabok bo samung tangja kya
Betrayal after betrayal.
Bisas gato by Bisas Gatoman Kajak Paka.
Even after this consecutive betrayal, even after this consecutive betrayal, if you don't learn the lesson, nobody can save the land. It's a history. So go by this history, learn from this history. BJP coming to power in Tripura is unimaginable. But at the false promises, swept the power. What happened to this election manifesto? BJP's election manifesto. This illegal immigrants will be thrown out. Modi said, Amit Shah said. My request is, Modi ji and Amit Shah ji, please get the illegal immigrants to your Gujarat. Or bring them all to Gujarat. You are loving these illegal immigrants. Your Bangladeshi immigrants are your friends. Get them back to Gujarat. Don't spoil this Tripura land.
India government now by betrayal Bisas Gatok khai phekya khaimang tongo thana election seka Modi government tam samani 2014 o jaga election seka Fatani boro no jaga ni tlangai di prasar niya ko o indigenous boro niya ko aro khomata nai ni samani kintu akok konar gya bosudo matro bini vote mane sarkar chanan bagai simi bo asamong tangkha kintu bota mo khaikya o jaga tabo borok norok sinina nangnai amhai rashtratik je party norok sinina nangnai hai ke norok jodi siya hangke norok jodi aboni against norok apno buchina ringe borno phurengmung rana ringe hangke apno tik jabar nange ke norok omor nai.
My brothers and sisters, I will say, this time is not out. Last battle is not fought. We will fight the last battle. We are with you. Tamils are with you. You conduct the last battle to secure back your homeland. You can win. You can win.
Takutai buhukjong jora paitong kha jora tai krikha abono last samay norok basakni norok basawo jodi choba khaya hangke norok komor nai haini bagi norok basadi jora tai krikha abono last time norok je asuk satok pitok khajak mani betrayal khajak mani apni tai nasingani jora krikha basabai sidi ang sengnong ni logi tongo seng sob sobai nong logi tongo nong le bagi kok sanai.
The CAA is the last straw. Here, in the NRC in Assam, it was fought by the Assamese people and won. They seek for 1948 cut-off year, then 61 cut-off year. The Rajiv Gandhi Urfa agreement where AAP and all Assam Students Union agreement was 1971 cut-off year. Now, this 1971 cut-off year and Assam Accord is scrapped by the CAA.
Tabuk the CAA nong ni bagi je belake destructive ain hamia ain tu mani au belake hamia tabu NRC Assam ni 71 aro Assam Accord ni mutabek ngi tongo long orang ke 1951 ni mutabek orang NRC na nangnai abo se norok demand khana nangnai abo se srai ai ni ko.
Now, after NRC in Assam, 19 lakh people were identified as foreigners. Foreign to the soil of Assam, foreign to the homeland of Assamese. Now, out of these 17 lakh people, 15,000 illegal immigrants are to be, 15 lakhs illegal immigrants are to be given citizenship by the CAA. Assam will not allow that illegal immigrants, illegal citizens. Where will they go? They will intrude into Tripura again. That danger is there.
Assam je tabu 19 lakh all illegal immigrants NRC ni bathang mani ar asabai tongya ar tebo 50 lakh ni sai kebang ar illegal immigrants manjak nai 1951 roge ar NRC khaja ke abor por thanai norok dore sotor katongya ke OCA ni bisinte nong oi Tripura hawana bor phainai aun bagai norok sijawoi sotor ko ma tongnai aun bagai norok soba khai ma tongnai norok thuita tongni.
You should not allow this to happen. This anti-CAA struggle is happening all over India, but in different area it has different connotations, different solutions. In Hindi area, it is a Muslim problem. Really, we have to support the struggle. But in Assam or Tripura, Nagaland or Manipur, it is a homeland, direct homeland question. Here, you demand Tripura specific NRC. That is correct. We support that.
Namero CAA protest hemeni India ne oina habai Tripura ha Assam ha pherlayo. Nongoro ke Phasani borno kai nani bagai CAA protest thayo. Hindu baksa hangke Hindu Muslim ni matter se. Hindu nongnaro hangke Phasani borno kai nani bagai obo thik tongo nongni bagai. Hingke nongoro ke puila CAA ya NRC nangnai NRC noro mangnai NRC demand ma phainai NRC nongnaro ngai.
Here, your cutoff year is 1948, July 19. That is correct. That is constitutionally correct.
Aro je NRC dor sanmani abo 1948 19 July cutoff year abo constitutional correct abo do ungan nai.
Here in Tamil Nadu, this anti-CAA protest has a different dimension. One is common to all, this Muslim people will be left out, that danger is there. Another one, there we are having the Tamil brethren driven out from Sri Lanka by the genocidal war, in which India also actively participated. India and Sri Lanka, Sinhala Sri Lanka, conducted the genocidal war against the Tamil people in Sri Lanka. Those people, nearly about 1 lakh people are in Tamil Nadu. We seek citizenship right to the Tamil people migrated from Sri Lanka to Tamil Nadu. That different dimension is there. Anti-CAA is one, but demands are different.
Please not.
Now here, you want NRC, Tripura specific NRC. Tamil National Movement, our Tamil National Movement is also demanding Tamil Nadu specific NRC. Not all India NRC. Here, your cutoff year is 1948. Why? Accession treaty is at the end of 47. Constitution says 1948 is the citizenship cutoff year. So Article 6 says. Here in Tamil Nadu was formed as a linguistic nationality state in 1956. So we are demanding a cutoff year of 1956 for our NRC. So 71 cutoff year is Assam, 48 cutoff year for Tripura, 56 cutoff year for Tamil Nadu. There's different NRC demands are there.
Assembly NRC ke 1971, Tripura NRC hingga ke 1948 19 Julai, Tamil Nadu ni NRC hingga ke 1956.
Because that 1956 was the year of formation of Tamil Nadu as a linguistic state. So we have the same demand, similar demand. We have to fight together. So Tamil Nadu will fight together with Tripura indigenous people.
Tamil Nadu ke Tripura o NRC ni bagai aksonge fight khanai on bagai movement khanai jaba khanai narok tiar tongni semua tiar tongga tawana di.
We are suffering from the Aryan cultural invasion. We are fighting to retrieve our Tamil identity. Likewise, you are fighting against this Bangladeshi infiltration and fighting to restore your Tripura identity. So we will fight together. Tamils will be with you. The people beyond TPF, the young people of Tripura, beyond the Tripura People's Front, will come together to TPF and come and fight as one people to fight their homeland and scrap the CAA from the soil. Thank you.
TPF, o jaga ni TPF, Tripura People's Front tai Tripura Sarok tai Tamilian rok sumilui o CNA against movement khai o CAA o India ni bo bai baut ma thanai sing jotona thanjaka jawaba khainai jotona hambai khumbai kya
hambai bela hambai जों खोनानायखौ जोंनि साबि बिथिंखौ बेवहाय समाजा क'ग्रबना जोंना मुथु खालामो जों बे बिथिंखौ खोनानायखौ आबान बागै जों सोलोंथाय आबान बागै जों खालायथाय
Orang poriman rawa kaham kerengkan purungos.
Satu di besan di rawa sa extra class mana o.
Anak emilah ni engineer ni.
Teacher purungan ni ke por friend ni ke purungan semua.
Cina poriman rawa kaham kerengkan purungo. Extra teacher na o mes teacher na o.
Mung kaya berada berma. Angkara itu purungo. Ane emilah mung kaya IAS officer.
Sande ba satu daerah orang kesan. Maba musau maba sabu. Kalau kamu pasar oh, dari kampung mat tunggu.
Dan sini botong kata sini sepuluh logo, kisah sekali.
Tapi yang sini harus musuh nak kamu keren ke purungo.
Anbung kerja dia dari mana kelas tani beriwa. Tapi ani live engineer namu sungguh. Sin para tak kan engineer kerja kamu bagi kamu beriwa, an live engineer ngai.